Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Hama energy cost meter and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one or two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If the energy cost meter is not working or not registering data, or it's not connecting, or if it seems to be frozen or not responding, a hard reset can fix those issues. Also, if you just want to wipe all of the data and start fresh as though you were using a brand new device, we can go ahead and do a hard reset to factory default settings to do this. All you need for it is a paper clip or a pin. Just make sure the pin is not too sharp so that it won't damage the device. Those iPhone SIM card ejectors work really great for this. And all we're gonna do is come in here and find the reset button. And depending on the specific model, sometimes the reset button is over to the left, sometimes it's down below the buttons, but it's always right around here on the face of the meter. So we're just going to press and hold that button for several seconds until we see the reset initiate, and then we can let go and it will reset to factory default settings.